Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Good afternoon, students. This is GK topic, standard 3. Let's see the different topics in the next slide. Yes, students, you got in GK subject, you got in grammar topic, articles. Okay. Now, in articles, children, you have a small story, and in that story you have got a small fill in the blanks. You have to fill some articles there. The starting, you can see the topic, the title is given, there are 2 dashes. There you're going to write the ant and the grasshopper. One summer day in a field, a grasshopper was hopping about singing to its heart's content. Full stop. And ant, and A, you have to write capital, children. So A and ant passed by carrying a piece of corn. By the story itself is understood, children. In one summer day, we have seen that grasshopper was singing and ant was working very hard. Now in second sentence we come to know, children. I'll read it out and I'll tell you the answer also. Why don't you come and play with me? Asked the grasshopper, comma, instead of toiling your life away. And the second sentence, the grasshopper is asking ant, why are you not coming and playing with me and enjoying, and why are you working? Then in third sentence, so let's see what ant is answering. I'm helping to store a food for winter, said the ant, and I recommend you to do the same. Full stop. An opportunity like this should not be washed. Okay, so ant is giving ant is telling grasshopper, why you're wasting your time like that? You should work hard, and when you have when summer season winter season will come, then you can sit nicely and eat in your house. If you are playing and not collecting any food, then when winter will come, you will be starving. Then next sentence tells it, when winter came, comma, the grasshopper found itself dying of hunger while it saw the ant eating the grain he collected in summer. He then realized the truth in what the ant had told him. So children, all the dashes were there. I have told you the answers. In that places we have used an article, a and the. So this was a small story about articles topic. Okay, and it was given in GK. As I told you, in GK, children, you have all different topics and different subjects also together. Let's see next slide. It is a small general quiz, children. Okay, as I told you, we have got different topic. In this now we got one small quiz. So in the quiz you have got the question and you have got the option. Now I'll tell you what is first. The hat worn by a chef is called a dash. Now you must have seen, children, when you go in big hotels and all, the chef is there, and like how in the kitchen mummy is working, but in hotels there are big cook which are called chef, and they have a particular type of hat, and that hat is named as Toque, T-O-Q-U-E. Option number A. Then second, the national flag of dash is the image of lion on it. Now you must have seen so many countries flag. Now one of the country's flag, that is Sri Lanka, is having an image of lion on it. Okay, so the correct answer is C, Sri Lanka. Okay, now let's see the next topic, what it is. Okay, other two small quizzes there. Let us see what is that. The study of a bird is called dash. Now there are different kind of studies for different things, children, and all are having different names are given. So when the particular person is doing the study on birds, that thing is called ornithology. Option number A. ORNITHOLOGY. And the fourth one is shown that dash is a traditional dress of the Japanese. And answer is kimono. Now you must have seen that how in our country we got different kind of traditional dress. Same way in Japan, Japanese people are having different kind of attire or dress, you can see. So that dress is called kimono. Let's see the next topic, children. It is very interesting and even you all will like it also. The next topic is on our India. We have different kind of national park. Now in the picture they have showed you, children, the name of the national park is given and the picture is given on the of animal, and in jumble word down the names are given. You have to write in a proper order. I think it will be very easy for you all to see. Now first you can see Jim Corbett National Park. Okay children, Jim Corbett National Park. By the name you will be thinking it is in foreign country, but no, it is in our country only. Okay, and the animal which is given over there, the picture, the answer is tiger, and the spelling, the words are given in jumble word. So you have to write the correct answer, TIGRE. Now second picture you can see, and that is in Kaziranga National Park. Okay, and the picture you can see of rhinoceros. So we are going to write the answer of rhino, correct answer. Okay, it is given in jumble words. So you are going to write it nicely. RHINOCEROS. Now next third one picture we can see of lion, and this is of Gir National Park, and lion spelling is very easy, LION. The next picture we can see is in Kanha National Park. Okay, so that is Kanha National Park, and the answer is swamp deer. The picture we can see of that is of deer, and the name of that deer is swamp deer, SWAMP, swamp, and deer, DEER. And the last one is Hemis National Park, and the picture we can see is snow leopard. Okay, the leopard which we can see in the snow. So SNOW, snow, and leopard, LEOPARD. Okay, I hope you like this topic very much, because now very nice pictures of animals are shown. Okay, thank you.